Ain't nobody here. It says ring bell, rang that shit like 3 times. So what happens when you come for parts? Picked up the original spark plugs. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't that much. Might as well go with the dealer ones. It's crazy. Better than NGK. You got all the stuff I need. Waiting on my cabin filter. The inside filter, this is OEM too, man. They never changed it. So yeah, you just remove the little plastic. The little turning out. Got my stuff here. Got that beer. You can't leave that fucking beer out. Bueno, para la gente que son media bruta, cabrones, pongan atención. We're gonna change the battery. We're gonna remove the battery. We're gonna change the cabin filter. It's the original Mercedes one. So I'm gonna swap that out. You know, it goes in here. This piece goes here. Boom. Remove that. Start a little bit of the work. Yeah, we're gonna swap that battery out, register it, oil change, spark plugs. So we're gonna get into the nitty gritty. All right, and yeah, let's get to it, man. Guys, for this assembly, okay, para los brutos, para los inteligentes, you're gonna remove this bolt, not remove it, loosen it. And that bracket, that's a 45, that's a T45, right? 10 millimeter, shit comes right out. Start by removing the ground cable. The positive, you already know the deal, right? I'm not gonna break down too much into this shit, cause yeah, I sure already know this. It's a fucking battery. So yeah, we're gonna remove the 10 millimeter. We'll fucking loosen it. We're gonna loosen it. Loosen that one, and that 45 down there. That's about it. In case you get a little sloppy with it, and you might misplace it, get yourself a magnet. You know what I mean? Then you can fish it back up. Got it just in case. You never know. I might get a little sloppy myself. But that's about it. Yo, this right here, this module right here, is for you to give the car a booster. For those who don't know, now you know. This is to give the car a booster in case the battery goes dead. But yeah, this is the original Mercedes battery. We're going to swap it out for the Optima. There you have it. Battery installed. Quick as lightning. Forgot to mention, you got to add this little thing here, this little vent tube to the battery. But yeah, that's about it. Now tighten this thing up, tighten up that one, hold it in place. You're good to go, man. Quick as lightning. Well, these Optima protection covers do not go on here. So, these are going to the garbage. There's no way they can clip on. It's not happening. All right, for the oil filter, you got to remove this intake. A couple of clips there with a flathead. Boom, pop that out. Remove it from the neck. All right. After you connect it, take the clamp out of this one, which is that one there. Slide it up. You don't got to take it all the way out. The filter comes right out. Done deal. Then you go underneath and do your work. As you can see, this filter needed some changing. We're going to swap this baby out. Get you these towels from AutoZone. These are very high absorbent towels. Very good if you want to do a little oil spill. This is what you should have left over once it's out. Yeah, this is a comparison of the new filter to the old filter. As you can see, this little rubber gasket here. And this little rubber gasket here comes included with the kit. They have an extra ring as well. That one's for right here on this edge. So don't get it confused. It's not an extra part. There we go. So now we got the rubbers fitted. All three of them. I'm gonna use the aftermarket ones. Slide this filter on. We're good to go. Simplest job ever. You snap that ring back on. After you connect the connectors together, snap this back in, snap that back in. Job well done. Filter is tightened. Everything's legit. Battery installed. But yeah, man, almost done. I'm gonna do the spark plugs now, then go underneath and drain the oil, put the new oil, do the cabin filter. The cabin filter is dirty. Where's it at? Oh, right here. Shit is all dirty. So I'm gonna do that one and the inside one. That's it. Full service. Yes, sir. Moving on to the spark plugs first. Gotta pull these coils out. So yeah, guys, to take out the spark plugs, the bolts for the Mercedes, you're gonna need an E8. All right? That's a star socket. right? A E8 for these bolts right here. So you need them to take the screw off the spark plug. Right there. Completely different bolts. Well, that's how they looking, bro. The original Mercedes. Yep. They don't look too bad. This one look a little more burnt than the other one. Yeah. Yep. Spark plug socket too. I bought this for the GTI, bro. A lot of tools for the GTI working. I bought this for the GTI, the A8. For these star screws that hold the coil. These bolts. Point out, don't believe everything you see on YouTube. I didn't have to remove this whole bracket assembly thing going on there. Okay, the coils all come out individually without removing that. So you have more than enough room to work on to get those 4 coil packs out. So yeah, as you can see, they all came out. That's bolted on. About to do the swap over now. Well, there you have it. Battery install. Spark plug install. Filter change. Swap that one out. Shit was bad. Horrible. New filter. Got the other one right there for the cabin. Now we get underneath it, drain the oil, add the new oil. Bro, YouTube wants you to remove that whole pan that covers the drive shaft, right? You don't even need to, bro. You just need to remove that one. 8 screws. All you plug is right there, big dog. That's about. Just remove that, drain it, and done. And then do the in-cabin filter. That's it. I'm finished. Some Mercedes, from what I've seen online, doesn't have this 12-volt socket. Mine's do for the 2019 model. So you're gonna remove this screw that's located right here, right on the right side near the panel. All right, you don't have to pull down on this rug. You don't have to pull the rug from here. This panel got it has one wire on the left side, and then it has one plug here for the lamp right on the center. You unplug those two. The panel slides forward and out. You do not have to pull down on that rug and loosen up that rug. From there, you slide the bracket, remove the filter. Done deal. Takes you 2 minutes. So yeah, guys, it's already all done. 1, 2, 3 job.